Hi everyone, my name's Sam, and today I'm here to tell you about the amazing Mini B camper kit. This kit's perfect for anyone who loves to go camping and explore the great outdoors in style and comfort. And you can go anywhere. You want to know how? Follow me. The Mini B is perfect for anyone who likes camping, with your own car, or take it on any airplane. Just rent a car on arrival and quickly install the Mini B. The Mini B camping kit comes with everything you need to turn any vehicle into a fully functioning camper. You'll get a comfortable bed for two, high quality mattresses, a slide out countertop for cooking, an outdoor table with 2 different heights, and 2 outdoor seats with soft covers, and a full-size 2-seater outdoor sofa where you can comfortably enjoy the views you'll encounter. The main frame of the Mini B is made from high-quality, waterproof plywood, which is super lightweight, making it super strong and durable. The remaining components are made from recyclable materials. With regular cleaning, the Mini B will last for years. And of course, everything packed into a dedicated solid bag, ready for air transportation. Still leaving space for cooking essentials, a gas stove, sleeping bag and pillows. Why is Mini B the perfect camper kit for air travel and camping? Well, because it's under 28 kilograms. Sky's the limit with Mini B. Mini B's design gives you freedom from any limited camper weekend in the range of 200 to 300 kilometers. Just plan your trip, rent a car, and get ready to reach many more destinations much further. You'll never be limited to the camping season in your area again. You can easily set up camp wherever you go and enjoy the beauty of outdoor life. What are you waiting for? Get your Mini B camper kit today and start exploring nature in new ways. Reach any place you want, unreachable for other camper owners. Thanks for watching, and happy camping with Mini B.